Hi, this is Charles St. George showing you how easy it is to strip the Leader 50A1. We've removed the connecting pin between the slide mechanism and the gas system. Then all you do is just slide the whole bolt carrier assembly out the back of the gun. And all you do is slide the cam pin out of the bolt carrier like that. And you slide the bolt out. And you can see how easy it is to strip the bolt. And you can see here the whole cam face supports the entire solid cam pin. There's no hole in the cam pin for the firing pin, and the bolt has a complete total cam face that's able to absorb the torque during its forward and rearward action as it opens and closes. All we'll do is just put this back in the gun. We'll show you how easy it is. All you do is simply just slide it in. That's what it's supposed to do. There it is. Slides in and it's locked. You see here, if I move the trigger, follow the pencil, you'll see the trigger bar pin moving there. That trigger bar pin releases this part of the trigger mechanism, which is this component here, and as that's sent rearwards by the trigger, releases the hammer. Hammer comes up, fires, comes back down again, locks on the disconnector. Then it's ready to fire again. That's how simple it is. And all these parts are water jet cut. No tooling, nothing complicated about them at all. They're all water jet cut from flat material. And springs are off the shelf springs. The hammer's water jet cut. That's fully machined out of CNC. You can see these are laser cut plates for the side of the magazine. And this is the receiver, the extrusion. And you can see how simple it is. That's all there is to it, really. This is one simple piece of extrusion. That's all there is to the gun.